So there's been a nuclear attack. Don't ask me how or why, just know that the big one has hit.
My suggestion is going to be start loading magazines because there will be civil unrest. But first, we have a super secret giveaway going on right now. Just click the link in the description to find out what you can win, and I'll give you a hint. It fits in a holster. Now, why am I telling you to start loading magazines? Because there will be civil unrest? Well, the good folks in NYC, that's New York City for those of us who aren't cool, they have just released a video about what to do in the event of a nuclear attack.
So there's been a nuclear attack. Don't ask me how or why, just know that the big one has hit, okay? So what do? There are 3 important steps that I want you to remember. Step 1, get inside fast. You, your friends, your family, get inside. And no, staying in the car is not an option. You need to get into a building and move away from the windows. Step 2, stay inside. Shut all doors and windows. Have a basement? Head there. If you don't have one, get as far into the middle of the building as possible. If you were outside after the blast, get clean immediately. Remove and bag all outer clothing to keep radioactive dust or ash away from your body. Step 3, stay tuned. Follow media for more information. Don't forget to sign up for Notify NYC for official alerts and updates. And don't go outside until officials say it's safe. All right, you've got this.
Well, if you see the flash and you're suddenly turned into vapor, then you don't have to do anything. But the truth of the matter is, if there is a dirty bomb or a nuclear attack or something like that, the vast majority of us are going to hear about it on the news, and we're not going to be right there in the center of it. And New York's 3-step process of get inside, and stay tuned is actually kind of laughable. Having worked on a nuclear-powered aircraft carrier at the height of the Cold War with special weapons, we can neither confirm nor deny the existence of such weapons on board USS Theodore Roosevelt. But understand this, that, yep, if you were outside, there might be some residual radioactive dust. Make sure that you bag your clothes and put them away and then scrub down. Having gone through the scrub down process, understand that it is not any fun at all. So you're going to have to deal with that. But then they just tell you to stay inside and stay tuned. You know what? If you're getting ready for this, if that's something you're worried about, and perhaps it is, perhaps terrorists might decide they want to detonate some sort of explosive device. It has happened before. You want to make sure that you are able to protect yourself. So I'm not even joking when I say load up magazines. Make sure that your personal protection plan is in place, that you are ready with what you think is right. I'm not going to tell you what you think is right. I'm not going to say grab a bug out bag and go somewhere, because where are you going to go? Can you defend your home? Can you defend your family? Do you have enough food and water to stay inside as long as the New York City government tells you to stay inside? Think about that, okay? This video that they put out says go inside and stay inside. What are you going to do there if you don't have enough food and water and just general material that will keep you alive? You know, and when I say keep you alive, I'm talking about things like toilet paper and sanitary products and that sort of stuff as well. Think about what might be happening and what you might need if you're going to stay in your house for a prolonged period of time. So, yeah, it's out there. People are talking about it. It's trending now. So we're going to talk about it too, and I'm going to tell you, don't just be a sheep. Don't just follow the instructions of the city of New York that says, go inside, take a shower, stay inside, wait for us to tell you what to do. Maybe you should start coming up with a plan. Maybe you should have the things you are going to need for a prolonged stay in your house and the ability to defend yourself if things really go off the rails. Because think about the way human beings act. A single human being is intelligent. In a group, we get really stupid. And when groups get really stupid, you need to be able to defend yourself against that. You need to be able to protect yourself and your loved ones. So get ready. It might be coming to a town near you. Want to know the 3 biggest mistakes when carrying a handgun? Then click on the video next to me to reveal all 3 mistakes. Mistake number 2 may shock you. Everybody has their own cardinal rules for what they're going to do when they're carrying a gun, but right now I'm going to give you 3 things that you must never do